Hello and welcome back to the third installment of NSAA Made Easy. Today we'll be doing the final 6 questions from the maths section of paper 1 of the 2019 NSAA. Let's get started. Question 13. Line P has equation 3y minus 2x equals 12. Point 0p is the y-intercept of P. Line Q is parallel to line P and passes through 6, negative 1. Its y-intercept is 0q. Find P minus Q. First, we need to solve for P. If we take x to be 0, then 3y equals 12 and y equals 4. Therefore, P equals 4. We can also rearrange this to get 3y equals 2x plus 12, and therefore y equals 2 over 3x plus 4. Q is parallel, so it will have the same gradient, and therefore, using gradient point form, we have y plus 1 equals 2 over 3 of x minus 6, y plus 1 equals 2 over 3x minus 4, and so y equals 2 over 3x minus 5. Q is therefore equal to negative 5. Therefore, P minus Q equals 4 minus negative 5, which equals 9. The vertices of a rectangle have coordinates P, 5, 4, Q, 4, 8, R, 10, 8, and S, 10, 5. PQRS is transformed by a clockwise rotation of 90 degrees around P, followed by reflection in the x-axis. What are the coordinates of the final position of R? The position of R relative to P is represented by the coordinate 6, 3. After rotation, this becomes 3, negative 6 relative to P. This translates to 7, negative 1, which gives 7, 1 when reflected in the x-axis. Question 15. We have two boxes, box A and box B. Box A has 6 red balls and 4 blue balls. Box B has 3 red balls and 12 blue balls. We toss 2 fair coins. If both coins show heads, box A is chosen, otherwise we choose box B. From the chosen box, we pick one ball at random. Find the probability of choosing a red ball. We'll first find the probability of choosing a red ball from A. This is equivalent to the probability of getting 2 heads multiplied by the probability of getting a red ball if A is chosen. This is equivalent to half times 6 over 10. This is equal to 3 over 20. Similarly, the probability of choosing a red ball from B is 3 over 20 as well. Therefore, the total probability of choosing a red ball is 3 over 20 plus 3 over 20, which is 3 over 10. Question 16. As in the following diagram, we have TR equals TU. U is directly south of T. R is on a bearing of 210 from T. Find the bearing of U from R. Firstly, we should note that the angle RTU is 30 degrees. We therefore note that TR equals TU, and therefore the angles TRU and TUR are equal. Therefore TRU equals 180 degrees minus 30 degrees all over 2, which is 75 degrees. We should also note that the bearing of T from R is 30 degrees because alternate angles in parallel lines are equal. We therefore have U on a bearing of 75 plus 30 equals 105 degrees from R. Question 17. 5 numbers have mean x, median y, and range z. A 6th number greater than x is added to the list. Which of the following 3 must be true? There may be multiple answers. Number 1. The median cannot be one of the 6 numbers. 2. The new mean is greater than x. 3. The new range is greater than z. It's not too difficult to see that only 2 must be true. It's easy to see why 2 is always true. Now, I'll prove that 1 and 3 are not always true. If the middle 2 numbers are equal, then y is in fact still equal to both values, and therefore is equal to a value in the list. 3 also does not have to be true, since the new number does not need to be the greatest or smallest number. Question 18. A solid pyramid has square base of side length 12 centimeters and a vertical height of h centimeters. The volume of the pyramid in centimeters cubed is equal to the total surface area of the pyramid in centimeters squared. What is the value of h? Using the formula we've been given, we have volume equals third times 12 squared times h equals 144 over 3h, which equals 48h. Using the first diagram on the left, we can see that the distance from the center of the base to the edge is 6 centimeters. Therefore, we can draw a triangle with height h, bottom 6, and therefore its hypotenuse is the square root of h squared plus 36. Therefore, the side face area is 12 over 2 multiplied by the square root of h squared plus 36. This is equal to 6 multiplied by the square root of h squared plus 36. Therefore, the total area of the 4 side faces is 4 times 6 of the square root of h squared plus 36, which is 24 of the square root of h squared plus 36. The area of the base is 144, and therefore the total surface area is 144 plus 24 square root of h squared plus 36. As mentioned in the question, we can equate this with the volume, which is 48h. Dividing both sides by 24, we have 6 plus square root of h squared plus 36 equals 2h, and therefore the square root of h squared plus 36 is 2h minus 6. Squaring both sides gives us h squared plus 36 equals 4h squared minus 24 plus 36. This simplifies to 3h squared equals 24h. H squared therefore equals 8h, and h squared minus 8h equals 0. H minus 8 equals 0, and therefore h equals 0 or h equals 8. Since h is a positive length, we have h equals 8. And that's the end of this episode of NSAA Made Easy. See you next week for the next installment, where we will be doing the first 6 questions of the physics paper. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye.